How many times have you said you'll start tomorrow? And how many tomorrows have already passed? If success demands pain, are you ready to pay the price? Or will you quit like everyone else? Be honest, do you really want success? Or do you just like talking about it? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, where ordinary people create extraordinary change. This is Rohit's story. Every night, he told himself the same story. Tomorrow I'll start. Tomorrow I'll change my life. The alarm rang. Opportunity knocked. But comfort whispered, just 5 more minutes. While he stood still, the world didn't wait. Others moved forward, and he was left watching. Then someone finally said what no one else dared to say. Success is not free. Pain is the price. Pain is the price for success. It's not here to motivate you. It's here to ask one question. Do you really want it? That night, sleep refused to come. Because deep down he knew, if he stayed comfortable, his dreams would stay dreams. So he woke up, not because he felt motivated, but because he decided to pay. While others chose laughter, he chose silence. While others escaped effort, he embraced discomfort. No one clapped for him. No one noticed his struggle. Because real growth happens when no one is watching. There were moments he wanted to quit. Moments when pain felt unfair. But quitting would cost him everything. And one day, the pain stopped asking questions. Because it already had the answer. Everyone wants success. Few are willing to suffer for it. So now the question is yours. Will you pay the pain? Or will you quit? Pain is the price for success. So tell me, will you pay or will you quit? When life asks for sacrifice, will you choose comfort or your dreams? From today, will you stay a talker or finally become a doer? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.